My name is Gayatri. My listing number is UR1/CS313. I'm going to explain operator overloading program. The question is designing a phone call class that holds a phone number to which a class is placed, the length of the call in minutes, and the rate charged per minute. Overload extraction and insertion operator for the class. And question B is overload the equals to operator to compare two phone calls. Consider one phone call to be equal to another if both calls are placed to the same number. Now I'll see the program. Here I give the header file as /include string. Here I declare /include string. Here I gave using namespace std. Here I declare class function, class called class phone call. Here I declare private. Here I declare string phone number, double per minute rate, double call duration minutes. Here I declare public, and this I declare. Here I gave the condition as bool operate equal to constant phone call Amazon and constant. Here I declare front ostream Amazon operator ostream Amazon F constant phone call. Here I declare friend iStream Amazon operator iStream Amazon F phone call. Here I declare bool phone call operator equals to constant phone call constant. Here I declare return phone number equals to n dot phone number. Here I declare ostream Amazon operator ostream Amazon F constant phone call Amazon N. Here I declare phone number. Here I use left shift n dot phone number left shift. Here I get duration. The condition is n dot call duration minutes. Here I declare minutes rate. And here I declare n dot per minute rate. Here I use endl. Endl means we can continue that in the next line. Here I declare return f. Here I declare iStream Amazon operator right shift iStream Amazon F phone call. Here I gave the condition as f Amazon f right shift dot n dot phone number, f right shift n dot call duration minutes, f right shift n dot per minute, return f. Here I declare the main function as main, and here I declare phone call a of 10 contains 10 elements in the array. Here I gave the output as enter 10 phone numbers, duration in minutes, and the per minute rates because as per the given question. Here I declared end L because we are continuing the next line. I gave separate each with a space and then hit enter to complete it. Here I declared for loop. In this I gave the condition as in I equals to 0, I less than 10. I gave the input as a of I. Here I declared in j. Here I use for loop. In this I declared j equal to 0, j less than I plus j. Here I use if loop. In this I gave the condition as a of I equals to a of j. I gave the output as duplicate number information ignore, try again, and L break. Here I use if loop. In this I declare j equals to I. Here I use for loop. In this I declare int I equals to 0, I less than 10 plus. I gave the output as a of I, return 0. Now I'll run the program. Here it is asking the output as enter 10 phone numbers, duration in minutes, and the per minute rates, separate each with a space and then hit enter to complete it. Now I'll queue. Here it is showing here it is showing the phone numbers, duration and rate. Here we got the expected output. Okay, thank you.